This is Studio News, a news center created. This is a warning, and not a joke. We interrupted the sign-off of Studio News. The Philippines launched 100 bombs into Sakura town. The Philippines reported that their city is copied by Sakura town. This is not a test. The Philippines have a block time agreement with China. Targeted places: Little Boy Home and Do Bud's House Tax Work, Cherry Cat Cave Police Coven Hospital. Bonus targeted places: a marked Sakura High School and more. The people of Sakura town is now in danger. Take shelter indoors to avoid being dead. If you live in places, take shelter indoors.